Hello learners, welcome back to Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy. Friends, in today's video, we'll explore the import management process in Lighthouse ERP, a specialized workflow designed to handle international purchases, freight, shipment, and customs processes, seamlessly integrating them with purchase, GRN, and MIS reports. Unlike domestic purchases, import procurement involves additional steps like shipment entry, bill of entry, port to plant transfers, import expense tracking, MIS and costing reports. When to use import management, this process is used when the purchase source is international. It involves additional layers like customs clearance, import documentation, shipment tracking, bill of entry, processing, foreign currency valuation. To handle these complexities, Lighthouse ERP provides a dedicated import shipment management module. Process overview. Let's take a look at the process flow. Import PO, import shipment, shipment items, warehouse bill of entry, import bill of entry, import GRN. Each of these steps ensures traceability, compliance, and proper costing. Import purchase order. Step 1 is to create an import purchase order, just like a domestic PO, but with source type set to international. Here you enter vendor, item details, delivery terms like FOB or CIF, currency, and more. This forms the base for tracking the shipment and cost-related data. Import shipment entry. After the PO is released, we move to import shipment entry, where you track the actual shipment dispatched by the vendor. Key fields include shipment number, PO reference, transport details, estimated arrival, port, container info, and mode, R and C. Also, link item-wise dispatch info for tracking. Warehouse bill of entry. Once the shipment arrives, a warehouse bill of entry is created. The material received into your warehouse system. Details include dock charges, freight, clearance expenses, and linking the shipment to your warehouse. Import bill entry. Next comes import bill of entry, where you record the vendor invoice against the PO and shipment. This is also useful for mapping customs duty, foreign exchange rates, and breakup of costs. The system pulls in PO and shipment data automatically, reducing manual errors and ensuring accuracy. Import GRN. The final step is to generate an import GRN, goods receipts note, confirming receipt of goods and enabling inventory update. It ensures stock posting, item-wise quantity update, linking to finance for payment process. Key features and benefits. This import management process offers several benefits. Complete visibility from PO to delivery, real-time shipment, tracking, accurate landed cost calculation, seamless integration with finance and inventory, audit, trail for customs, compliance, FX rate handling, and cost breakup. It ensures efficiency, transparency, and regulatory compliance. Recap and what's next. Let's quickly recap. You start with an import PO. Track via import shipment. Record warehouse bill of entry and import bill of entry. Complete process with import GRN. Each step is integrated, automated, and traceable. In our next video, we'll move to GRN inspection, rejection and purchase return, where we'll see how goods are verified and handled after receipt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more ERP tutorials. Drop your questions or use cases in the comments. We'll be happy to guide you. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing with Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy.